Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get older version of Instagram in 2025. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So this is obviously the newest version, and every single time there is an update on an app, it automatically updates, and if it's not updated, it does not function well. And when you go to your app store and when you search for Instagram, you will find the recently updated version because that's just how it operates. But if you still insist on finding the previous one or the old version, is that for Android, you can go to the APK in your browser and you can download the older versions from there. And for the iOS, you have to go to the non-app store methods, which will require you to get a third-party support, like the iMobile guide to downgrade by downloading an older version IPA file of Instagram using AnyTrans. That's one of the options. You have to go to the fleon.com to locate an archived IPA files for iOS devices for the older version. Those are the options available, which is a bit complicated, not as easy as going to App Store or Play Store and downloading the app. But another problem that can occur for the older version is that when you have done that, the risk will be the data will be stolen. It might not function properly. It might not have the newest updates. So those are the downfall of getting the older version, and still you need to go to the third party, which will not be safe for your own device. So I'll personally suggest you to not to have older versions, but you still instead that you have to go to the third party options. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.